Hey boys and girls, have you heard about this basket of deplorables? What's really inside there anyways? Come along and we'll find out. Homophobics, transphobics, xenophobics too. In this basket they're waiting for you. Racists and sexists are all here blowing gaskets. A tisket, a tasket, there's a Nazi in this basket. The basket of deplorables. Basket of deplorables. Basket of deplorables. They're all here in the basket of deplorables.
I do not like political correctness.
They're trying to ethnically cleanse white people?
Well, sure they are. Won't you wake up?
They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime. They're rapists.
Did you know 87% of Trump supporters don't want Muslims in the United States? And roughly half of them think black people are more violent than white people. Half of them also think gay people shouldn't get married. Are we having fun? Is this making America great again? Is it? Okay!
Yay!